Tonight, I'm reading the story of Prophet Lut, peace be upon him. A long time ago, in a town called Sodom, lived a good man named Lut. Allah chose him to be a prophet. He was kind and always told people to follow Allah and be good. But the people in his town were doing really bad things. They were unkind, unfair, and did things that made Allah very upset. Lut told them again and again, "Stop doing wrong. Please follow Allah. He will forgive you." But most of them just laughed and didn't listen. One day, Allah sent angels to visit Prophet Lut. They came in the shape of people and gave him a serious message. You must leave the city tonight with the believers. A big punishment is coming. So Lut and his family left, but his wife stayed behind. She didn't believe in Allah and was left with the people who disobeyed. Then, Allah sent his punishment. The town was turned upside down. Morning light. Lut and the believers are safe, walking in peace. Wow, that was a strong story. I learned that we should always do the right thing even if others don't. And we should always listen to the prophets. Ya Allah, help me be kind and follow your